So it is Friday and it is actually Jaren's birthday this weekend, and Jaren is my husband if you did not know. But I am basically going to, before he gets home, try to make him dinner and set up a cute little present that I got for him. So I'm gonna try to make this like nice and romantic because tomorrow some of our friends are gonna come over and we're gonna go out and do something like kind of as a group, but today is kind of just about me and him. So first I'm gonna put his present together. Here is his present. It's an Elite Xbox controller. I don't know what the heck that means, but I think it's something that he really wants. Now I'm gonna do his card to go with it, and I thought this was so cute. So when he comes home from work, he'll come to the counter and see this and his card. That's cute, right? So now I'm gonna make something called Brookies. I have no idea who invented this, but it's the best thing in the world. I will show you how to make it. So it's actually super easy. I'm gonna use this cake pan, and I'm gonna basically put the layer of brownies down first, and then I'm gonna put a layer of chocolate chips on top. Make me proud, little brownies. Make me proud. So I just put my beautiful brownies in the oven, and now I'm gonna make the cookie mix. I'm gonna let the brownies bake for like 3/4 of the time. So they're supposed to bake for 40 minutes. So I'm gonna let them bake for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the cookies on top and bake it all for 10 more minutes. Okay, so if y'all don't know, I am a vegetarian, and I'm trying to make dinner for someone who's not a vegetarian for their birthday. And I got some salmon and I seasoned it, and I don't really know how to cook it, so hopefully Pinterest will come in clutch for me right now. The brownies are almost done, so I'm going to add the cookies on top right now. Then the last thing I'm going to do is prepare the asparagus. This is the final product. I think I did pretty good. This is almost done. Long story short, Jaren loved his dinner and he had a great time on his birthday. Moving on to more serious issues, this is me reacting to The Bachelor. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but this was the episode right before the finale. ABC, what is going on right now? Why are you doing this to me? What the heck? I don't even know what to think. Everybody told Colton that Cassie wasn't ready, and Cassie realized that she couldn't be ready. And now what's gonna happen in the last episode? I'm so confused. I'm bewildered. I'm astounded. I don't even know what to say. He can't propose with one of the other two girls. Just be like, just kidding. What is he gonna do? I called it from the beginning though. I have screenshots with proof. I called it from the beginning it was gonna be Cassie. She's a speech pathologist. I'm a teacher. If you don't watch The Bachelor and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm sorry. I'm moving on now. Okay guys, we're gonna go shopping for furniture. We got a mirror. We got a TV stand.
Hey.
What?
Don't talk bad about it.
I'm not.
Are you sitting on YouTube about it and talk bad?
No, it's beautiful. It just was a little tall, so we're taking the legs off. I also got these rugs from World Market, and I thought they were too cute. This is the new TV stand and the new mirror that we got. We also hung this mirror in our hallway. So Jaren's family is in town, and we're about to go do something for his
for his
it's max level, and then
we're gonna do something with him while they're in town for his birthday.
I actually got a fever, and this is me sleeping with my dog, and this is all I did that night. My husband and his family watched movies, and I went to bed because I had a fever, and that's all I did that day. So here's the next day.
I've been trying to like rationalize with myself about a lot of things.
Say yes. Just.
I know that there were other girls here, but like they were ready for
Look what just came in the mail. I ordered these stools from Target, and I hope that they're gonna work for our counter so we actually have a place to eat. I'm gonna unbox them right now. Yay, oh my gosh, yay. I think they'll be a good height. I hope. I can sit perfectly on here, and it's a good height for the counter. I'm gonna make burrito stuff for dinner. So I'm gonna use green peppers, spinach, rice, black beans, guacamole, and salsa, and wheat tortillas. Everything's ready, I just gotta assemble it. Doesn't it look good?
If you don't stop, you're gonna start shopping in the single meal section.
I think this is just about the best burrito I've ever had. It's from Willie's. Guys, look at what I found from Marshall's for $10 for our bathroom. It looks so cute, I love it. I'm just gonna put... Oh, it looks so cute. I love it. I also went to World Market and got these bath rugs because I thought they went really well with the floors and the cabinets. So I got one for me and one for Jaren. And I got these little ones mostly because I couldn't find like a whole runner that I liked. So I figured we could just put these two together. Cute. But then I also got this one. And they kind of go together, right? And I got this one for when we step out of the shower. Cute, I think that'll be good. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I can't tell you how much it means to me that you took the time to watch it up until this point. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!